Top 5 surprising facts from history, animals, and human biology. 1. Ancient Egyptians used moldy bread to treat infections effectively thousands of years ago. 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts and can taste with their arms, showcasing unique biology. 3. Your body produces about 1.5 liters of saliva daily, enough to fill a bathtub in a year. 4. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes, a remarkable historical event. 5. Elephants communicate using low-frequency sounds that travel miles, unseen but heard. Comment if you knew these facts and guess the next surprising fact.